Hey guys, still working on this worship song? Let's jump right back in. Okay, definitely gonna cut the low end out of the wind sound. Looks like there's nothing above like 2K anyways. I don't want any low mid rumble either, so we'll cut that out. I really don't know how loud he wants this in the final mix. It's probably loud enough for someone to know it's wind, but not too low to where someone would think that he recorded outside and couldn't get rid of the wind noise. All right, let's see what this one is. All right, that one's crazy high. I think I'm just gonna group these together and then throw the real ADT doubler on there. So I don't have to double each one of them, just because I want to double them to get that extra stereo width pad sound. Okay, so this is the real ADT. It's just a doubler, but we can make this sound extra wide. See if these are real choirs or if this is like a choir pad. Because if it's a pad, I'm just going to count it as an instrument and put it before the lead vocal. Yep. Okay, so it's left, right. Go ahead and give these their own bus too. Call those the ahs. Too much. Treat those kind of like a voice, but on a voice I wouldn't low pass this hard. Okay. For the piano, I'm going to do the trick where if the bass is not playing, which it doesn't come in until later in the song, since it's a solo piano, I'm going to just leave the bass, the low end in the piano when it's by itself and the only instrument, and then chop it out to where I need it once the full band comes in. Then it gives the appearance that the piano is actually full the whole time. It's just the bass actually comes in and fills that low end. So yeah, right now I'm high passing at 170. So we need to automate that. All right, where's the high pass? Right here. Okay, perfect. Now looks like it's time to go on into the vocals. So I'm going to start with the lead. It looks like all these other background vocals don't even come in till the very end anyways, so we will start with this.
Stretched in surrender as I cast all my cares upon you.
And I'm just going to use my normal vocal chain, which is mostly R compressor or R de-essers, like all the Renaissance plugins from Waves.